Hello traders, and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily TF Russell 2000 Futures Review. My name is Martin Rimes, and today's date is Thursday, January 16, 2014. Hey, I'd like to ask you to please check out hitthemarktrading.com. This is the website. While you're there, you can know a little bit about me. And if you look at this the services, you'll see everything that I offer. A boot camp, which really is a great way to learn trend and momentum trading. And this is new. It's a simplified options course. Basically, if you've ever felt like you wanted to learn options, but they seem too complicated, I'm telling you, I'm going to provide you a great foundation. We rely on the charts. We're visual traders. We're not going to use a lot of the Greeks, which the market makers use and are constantly making adjustments. Okay, we do these things nice and easy and simple. Okay, very good. Now, go to the contacts page, and when you're at the contacts page, you'll have the opportunity to sign up for Rooster Call. Now, Rooster Call is my early morning note to clients. Basically, I look at the charts, I look at the news wires, and write a one-page synopsis just to keep us on track for what to expect out of the day. It's okay? Very good. Now, remember that everything I mention in this video recording is for your educational purposes only. Please do not construe anything I mention as an offer to buy or sell any type of futures or options on futures. Okay? Very good, very good, very good. Let's go to the charts. All right, wow, daily Russell 2000, the TF. Just a very nicely formed channel here on the daily chart. And what you can see is that, boom, we're testing resistance. You see that, right? So we talked about this last night, that, probably run up to this line, 1664. And let me just, oops, I didn't want to grab that. Hang on one second. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. Okay. It's hard to see this, but this is, there's actually a price bar here. And this is the action for today. All right. So we opened today at 1169.1. We closed at 1169.2. That's why you hardly see anything. You know what I call that? A no, never mind day. It's like, what? All dressed up? Nothing to show for myself. No, never mind. So, I guess the candlestick people might call this a doji. But for us, it's just no, never mind. Maybe something will happen tomorrow. We know that trend and momentum are very strong. And I'm wondering, I can't help but wonder, are we setting up for just another drop on Monday, only to be carried up Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday? Gosh, we've seen it so many times. All right, let's just take a look at the weekly just to be complete. Charts. Okay, banging up here at the top. All right. More often than not, we expect the trend line to hold and see price drop down. I mean, this is just what we're used to, right? And so it's going to be interesting to see if price is stalling out. All right? Okay. Seasonally, we're in the best time for stocks. Okay. And our indicator, look how long this indicator's been above the zero line. Wow. Okay, so momentum is strong, and this is the 34 exponential moving average. I call this a super freight train. Okay, you don't want to get in front of a super freight train. You want to ride it if you can. Okay, let's go to the intraday chart. Now I use a 10 range bar chart, And if we look at the action here, It's just a whole lot of nothing going on. Okay, just nothing going on. Let me see what the range here is. Just going to draw it from the top here down. About $440, you know. Gosh, look at all that chewing up. Gosh, gnashing of teeth. So just a lousy day unless you were fortunate enough to catch the down move here. And of course, here's the signal on the commodity channel index right here, right? Diagonal trendline break calls the short. Okay. And another diagonal trendline break. Calls the long. Okay. This is all we do. Now, I like using 10 range bar chart because I let price tell me, yes, I'm ready to move. Okay. If I use, I'm afraid if I used a minute chart that by the time a minute, the 3 minute or 5 minute went by, heck, there's the move gone. So I've standardized to the 10 range bar. All right, that's it for tonight. I don't make a recording on the weekend, but I mean on Friday, but I will